Hey guys, check it out. I got this new Eversaw. It's a folding saw. I'm gonna use it and test it out and show you what I think. Today we're testing out the Eversaw 8.0. It has an 8-inch blade. It is 17 inches when opened up. The blade's made of carbon steel, has a rubber grip, and a locking mechanism to keep the blade open while cutting. So check it out. So, of course I put gloves on because it's really sharp saw and I don't want it to chatter across my thumb. But so let's go over here and try chopping some of this this hardwood I have. This is off an old maple tree. Cuts pretty good, pretty effortless. You know, this would be perfect for camping, for small limbs and stuff you need for a fire. It works great. I mean, it's easy, just easy to use. I mean, check it out. Nice, clean cuts. I mean, you know, safe to use. I wore gloves, you know. The blade folds up really nice, and it's, like I said, it's very compact and very lightweight. You can carry this in your backpack.